The ultimate math brain teaser. Hello everyone, welcome to Saze Maths. Today we are tackling a math problem that is sure to test your math skills. 2 minus 4 times 2 minus 4 in parentheses. So what's the plan? Do we start with subtraction or multiplication or the figures in parentheses? That is where the order of operation called PEMDAS comes in. In PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses and is the first order, followed by E the exponent, which is the second order. Exponent means 2 raised to power 2 or 3 raised to power any other number, followed by multiplication and division. We evaluate from left to right. Finally, the addition and subtraction. We evaluate from left to right. Let's start with the ones in parentheses. Bring down these 2 minus this 4 times 2 minus 4 will give us minus 2. Put it in parentheses. Next is the multiplication. Bring down this minus 4 times minus 2 will give us plus 8. 2 plus 8 will give us 10. This is the correct answer. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it. Bye bye for now.